Welcome to the equipment inspection tutorial for Vector Check-It. Before watching this video, we recommend taking a stroll over to our support center and reviewing the videos for equipment organization and adding equipment. Equipment inspections are created for the equipment pool and can be linked to multiple equipment pools if the items are typically inspected together. One example is PPE gear. Although they may be sorted separately in Check-It by pants, coats, and boots, one inspection can be linked to all three pools if your organization inspects these items simultaneously. To start creating equipment inspections, you'll need the proper permissions for managing equipment. Users, meanwhile, will need the Perform Equipment Inspection permission enabled before they can start to complete these inspections. Before creating an inspection, you can browse a set of pre-made inspections by going to the Checklist library and selecting the Equipment tab at the top of the page and clicking Preview. If this is something you'd like to use within your organization or make minor changes to, import the inspection to an equipment pool by clicking the Import button. To create your own inspection, start by clicking the Equipment tab on the left side menu of your Check-It account. Then click to expand an equipment pool. Click on the Inspections tab. Then click Set up New Inspection. There are two options when creating an inspection. The first is a checklist inspection. This is used when someone from within your organization is inspecting the item. The second option is a service vendor inspection. This is typically used when your equipment goes to a third party to be inspected. It allows you to capture pricing information, date of the inspection, and you can upload any supplemental documentation you may need associated with the inspection record. For our example, we're going to create a checklist inspection. We'll first need to input a name for our inspection, then click Create. There's a trash icon that you can use to remove any inspections not needed. Please note that once an inspection is deleted, it is not able to be recovered. It's gone, done, kaput, thrown into the realm of oblivion. To add checklist steps to the inspection you just created, click into the inspection and click the Manage tab. Use the Linked Equipment Pools section if this inspection will cover multiple equipment pools. For this example, we'll use this inspection for our SCBA bottles and back frames. Within the Manage Inspection page, you can schedule the inspection to be completed within a certain time frame. You'll notice that we cannot schedule this inspection until we add inspection sections and steps. So, that being said, let's go ahead and add an inspection section by clicking on the cleverly rhyming Add New Inspection section. Enter the title for the first section and click Done. Then we'll click Add Inspection Step to add the first step within the inspection checklist. There's a few options here. The first is a pass-fail option, which is a simple step that allows the user to select whether the equipment item passed or failed that step. Next is a numeric option that allows the user to enter a number value into the inspection. The selection option allows you to create multiple choice options where users can select the best criteria available. And finally, the comment step option allows users to enter text into the inspection for any additional comments about the results. The inspection step we're creating will require the user to pass or fail the step for the back frame assembly, so we'll choose Pass-Fail. Feel free to enter a description or additional information for the user about this step in the description box. You'll also see an option called Failure Condition. If you mark an inspection check step as a failure condition, you'll be able to map a ticket type that you want to be automatically generated when that step fails. We'll toggle this on for this step because we don't want our team to use any equipment that has cuts, tears, or damage. We believe in only the best for our team. Once that's set, click Done, and you'll see a notation next to the step that there is a failure condition associated with the step. To further configure the ticket types for the failure conditions, scroll up within the Manage Inspection page and find the Failure Behaviors section. Here's where you'll select which ticket type needs to be associated to any failed inspection steps. This means that any time an inspection is submitted with a failed failure condition, a ticket will automatically be generated within this type. Determine whether a failed failure condition should take the equipment item out of service by using this toggle. You'll see that we've configured it to reflect that the item is out of service after a failed inspection. If you don't see any ticket types available in the dropdown, you'll want to visit our support center to learn how to configure your ticket types and workflows. Navigate back down to the inspection steps and hover over your recent steps to see the option for adding another step to the inspection. We'll add another pass-fail step to the back frame section by clicking this button and selecting Pass-Fail. Enter the text of the next step, then click Done. Let's create another section for our SCBA bottle by clicking Add New Inspection Section. We'll title this SCBA bottle, click Done, and then add an inspection step. I want my team to include the SCBA bottle PSI as a number, so this step will be a numeric step. Type the title of the step, then click Done. Continue adding sections and steps to the inspection until you've completed the inspection. Before we can be totally done, we want to be sure to schedule this inspection. As mentioned before, now that we've added inspection sections and steps, we can scroll up to the inspection scheduling part of the Manage Inspection page and choose how frequently we'd like these inspections to be completed. Scheduling the inspection will enable these pieces of equipment to show up on the reporting dashboard called Equipment Overview. This dashboard provides you with a quick insight into all of your scheduled inspections so you can see which items are in compliance, aka inspected on time, or out of compliance, aka has not been inspected on time. For flexible inspection scheduling, click the Update to Enhance Scheduling option. You'll see tabs for daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly inspection options. I want my team to inspect their SCBAs daily because I'm a connoisseur for safety, so I'll choose the Daily tab. I want to keep the default selection for every day, but you can also set these up to be every third day if you want, or every weekday, Monday through Friday. Inspections will be due by the end of the day unless you select a specific time of day for the start time. I want the inspection to be completed by 9 a.m. each day, so I'll configure that start time here. I also want a reminder on the equipment item each day that the inspection is due soon. By setting this reminder for one day before, there will be a visual due soon reminder on each item starting at midnight the day the inspection is due. Once my options have been configured, click Update and we're done. There are many options when scheduling your inspections, so be sure to check out our support center for more information or if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.